Monster chess, also called Super King chess, how to play. The rules are the same as regular chess except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. The object of the game is to checkmate your opponent's king. Set up white with only 4 pawns in the center of the second row and the king as the only piece on its normal space on the first row. Set up black like you normally would. White must take 2 consecutive moves on their turn, while black only gets the traditional one. White may move the same piece twice, or may move 2 separate pieces. The white king may move into check on its first move so long as it moves out of check on the second move. This makes it possible for the white king to capture black's king. Black's king is in check if it could be captured on white's next turn within white's 2 moves. For example, a white pawn in this position has a check on black because on white's next turn, if black doesn't remove the threat, then white will capture black's king. Black is not allowed to put the white king in check in response to black being in a 2-move check. If black moves their king out of check, black must still consider what other 2 moves white can do so as to find a safe space. White checkmates black when, no matter where black moves, white will always be able to take black's king by making 2 consecutive moves. Pawns are still promoted the same way as in regular chess, and en passant still applies. The first player to checkmate their opponent's king wins.